Okay, everyone, we are here talking from the great Mission Rima number 3, coming from Blue Mission Banos project. We are here in Amsterdam, and today I have the pleasure to be here with Elisabete from Parkwind. We are both engaged from Submariner and Parkwind in the Old Farms project, which is a project about ocean multi-use. And we actually just came out from a great workshop about upscaling ocean multi-use practices within European waters. So the two big elephants in the room that we discuss are actually offshore wind farms and low traffic aquaculture. What is your uptake on all of this?
Well, here we could discuss some of the synergies that are possible between wind farm works and the aquaculture projects, and we found out there are many positive findings and also some challenges that we still need to work together for the future.
Thank you very much. Again, this is a great event to gather with experts from all over the sector related to the blue economy and even not from the blue economy.